Welcome to the Stock Market Daily News Podcast. It's Friday, November 7th, 2025. Let's get you caught up on all the major market action from Thursday, November 6th. U.S. stocks took a step back as the major indexes all slid, jolted by new concerns over the labor market and a round of profit-taking in Wall Street's hottest names. The Dow Jones finished down 397 points, or 0.8%. The S&P 500 lost 1.1%, and the Nasdaq tumbled the most, sinking 1.9%. Today, we'll break down why tech and consumer stocks took a hit, which S&P 500 stocks are scorching hot this November, and why a century-old tech company is outpacing nearly all the Magnificent Seven. Plus, we'll highlight a big move in quantum computing stocks and what it means for the future of disruptive tech. First up, the Nasdaq's decline stood out as traders rotated away from tech giants and consumer stocks. This drop followed weaker private jobs data. Revlio Labs estimated 9,100 non-farm jobs were lost in October. Meanwhile, layoffs surged with Challenger, Gray, and Christmas reporting over 153,000 job cuts last month, a 183% jump, fueling anxieties about a cooling labor market. As risk appetite faded, investors moved money into bonds, sending the two-year Treasury yield down to 3.56%. With tech under pressure, market breadth narrowed again. Only about 45% of S&P 500 stocks are above their 50-day moving average, spotlighting the trend of a rally led by just a handful of big names. But November is historically the best month for the S&P 500, and some stocks are starting fast out of the gate. 5 S&P 500 members, including healthcare firms IDEXX Laboratories and Henry Schein, have already surged more than 12% this month. For investors, it's a sign that even in volatile times, certain sectors and stocks can dramatically outperform. Let's look at one tech heavyweight defying a tough week. IBM, the dancing elephant, is showing serious staying power. Year to date, IBM has outperformed every Magnificent Seven stock except Google and Nvidia. For context, shares of IBM have steadily climbed as the company's turnaround story gains traction, proving that established players can still compete with the market's flashiest growth names. Switching to quantum computing, IonQ reported a bigger-than-expected quarterly loss, but top-line revenue blew past forecasts, jumping to $39.9 million, a 222% increase from last year, powered by acquisitions. The company also raised its full-year revenue outlook. Investors responded positively, pushing IonQ's stock up nearly 5% on the earnings news. Quantum computing remains a high-risk, high-reward frontier, so keep an eye on volatility in the space. Recapping Thursday's close. Dow Jones, down nearly 400 points. S&P 500, down 1.1%. Nasdaq, falling 1.9%. Volatility remains elevated, labor market questions linger, but November's historical track record and pockets of outperformance could provide opportunities for active investors. Next week, watch for more earnings from quantum computing names and potential market-moving economic data. For more daily updates, be sure to subscribe and follow us wherever you get your podcasts. Thanks for tuning in to the Stock Market Daily News Podcast.